Alright guys, today we're gonna do a small video as well. We're here with our friend Ismael right here. Say hi.
Hi.
What we're gonna do is we're actually gonna do an install on this XRS 2-seater. What we will be doing is we will be installing a Motomania Culiacan system on it. So this is a 2-seater version. As you can see, it looks lit. It's really great. We're gonna be putting that on the roof as well. And we will also take advantage of it to actually connect the rigid lights into the system. There's a couple of switches there, so we will take advantage of it and connect the entire thing to it. So as you can see, this is an XRS as well. The machine is clean, awesome, and now we're gonna improve it with a really good sound system. All right guys, so keep watching. We're gonna do the install as well. And first move, what we're gonna do is we will remove the roof. Once the roof is removed, we will actually prepare the Motomania system with some of the plates that are gonna fix into the roof, and we will put all that together. Once it's up, we're gonna fix it and we will work on the wiring.
Que tú eres